So this workflow is going to allow you to email a customer when a tag is added to an order. This is something that you can't do in Flow because Shopify Flow because there aren't any order updated triggers. And so it's a useful, so Mesa can really come in handy right here. All right. And, Shopify email can't email customers unless they have a marketing consent, which in general is good. You don't want to spam people, but this is a really valid use case where, let's say, I saw someone, for example, that needed to email customers as orders were going through the production process and they use tags to tag the different stages of the process. So you've got valid use cases where you want to email a customer about an order. All right, let's dive in. So we're triggering on order updated. Now, in order to determine when a tag is added, we have to keep track of the tags in our database so that when they change, we can trigger something specific. Otherwise, you'd just be triggering anytime an order was updated and it had a tag, you'd be doing way too much of that. So this is specifically going to look at when a tag is added. So we're grabbing the current state of the tags, and then we are updating or creating this is the previous state of the tags, and this is the current state of the tags. And then we want to make sure that there are some tags. If not, what are we even doing here? And this custom code is just going to take those tags, which is a comma separated string, and put them into an array so we can loop over the tags. And then we're just going to say, if the previous state of the tags did not have that tag, that's when we know it's a new tag and we can do what we want to do. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and send out an email to the customer. So let's see if we have a test in here. Let's see if we can do a test. So I think if I do it on this one, it should not run because, so it didn't meet the conditions. So the tag already existed on that order from a previous test. So it wasn't a new tag. So let me turn it on. Let's just get real serious. Test order tag 2. Simple enough. And you don't even have to hit save. That is going to save right away there in the orders, unlike with customers, for example. So here we go. All right, so this time it was looping over 2 tags. And again, it didn't pass the test for test order tag 1, but it did pass it for test order tag 2. So that's the deal. As usual, you can grab this workflow from interesting. We're adding those in. I like it. I like it a lot. So you can grab the demo here from the automation demos section of Zblue, and you can download that workflow right there. Get in there, mess around with it. If you need any help setting that up, feel free to let us know. Peace.